Hey, and welcome to another episode of Back from the Future, where we talk about things from the past, present and future. And today we're going to be talking about Bambu Lab's hinting of a new bed slinger printer, the A2L. Now we know about the A1, infamous bed slinger printer, absolutely amazing, one of the best bed slinger printers that ever was released. And now they're going to double down and bring out that, if you can call it longer awaited, A2L, which is, and the L stands for large. Now the rumours are that the bed size will be 330 by 320 or 350 by 350 build plate, and I'm not sure what the Z-axis will probably be 320 or something like that. And what's interesting is it's going to be coming at an entry level price, around £400 to £500, probably hook up with an AMS. And this is interesting because I was looking at getting a Bambu Labs HD2 because I actually need a bigger bed size, but I won't necessarily be printing in exotic films, probably PETG. So this, and I won't be using it as much as my P1S, but there are occasions where I need to do large prints, especially for the up and coming project where I'm building a flux capacitor and I need to print a backboard for it, which is build size of about 300 by 300 millimeters. So that would come in handy. Now what we know about this printer again is that it will be a single head, as far as I know. There were rumors it was going to be dual head, but it's actually that's been discounted now, and they reckon it's going to be a single head. It'll have a pen plotter, pen cutter, and a few other accessories that they're looking to bring out with this. And there were schematics online where it was supposed to have a dual head, but those schematics were for a patent for some auto calibration using a camera on a 3D printer, but it was easier to do it as a bed slinger than it was an enclosed cased 3D printer. It was just for convenience, I guess. So I really can't wait for this printer to be the details for it to come out on sale. I think it's going to be an amazing printer. We're just going to have to wait and see. And you know what it does, it just invites people in to the Bambu Labs ecosystem, and you know, I can't wait for this to be released. So hopefully I'll see you guys on the next episode.
If you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe to our channel, press the bell notification button, and get notified when a new video comes out. Please leave a thumbs up. If you enjoyed this video, please leave comments and let us know what your thoughts and suggestions are for future videos.
And we will see you in the future, if there is one.